In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the settings icon in Yahoo Mail. This should only take around 5 minutes, so let's get right into it. First things first, to access your settings, you'll need to be logged into your Yahoo Mail account. If you haven't done this yet, just head over to the Yahoo website and enter your login details carefully to get started. Once you're in, you'll see your main email interface with your inbox front and center. From here, all we need are just a few navigational steps to find exactly what we're looking for. As you look at your screen, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Yahoo Mail page. This is a consistent location for all users, regardless of whether you're on a PC, tablet, or even a mobile browser. It's always good to familiarize yourself with these areas of your screen because they often hold useful icons and tools to enhance your email experience. Now, in this top right corner, you should see a gear-shaped icon. Yes, you've guessed it. This gear icon is universally known as the settings icon. It often hints at customization and control, and Yahoo Mail is no different in this regard. This little icon is your gateway to modifying and tweaking your email settings to better meet your personal or business needs. Once you've located the gear icon, the next step is simply to click on it. When you do so, a settings menu will promptly drop down, offering you a range of options. This menu is your control panel, where you can adjust various settings related to your mail, such as notifications, themes, and even your email signature. If you're having trouble spotting the gear icon, it's always a good idea to ensure your browser is fully updated and the page has finished loading completely. Sometimes elements can take an extra moment to appear if your connection is a bit slow or if there are updates being processed. And that's it. Just these few easy steps, and now you can access all the customization options that Yahoo Mail offers. Feel free to explore the settings menu and tailor your mail experience to suit your preferences. Remember, having a good grip on your settings can greatly enhance how you manage and enjoy your email communication day to day. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was as straightforward as promised. Stay tuned for more quick and easy tutorials, and don't hesitate to check out our channel for solutions to other common tech questions. Have a great day and happy emailing!